New idea for cooking cabbage. Insert toothpicks into the cabbage and make a few cuts. Place in the microwave for 5 minutes. Remove the toothpicks. Chop the cabbage finely and place in a bowl. Peel an onion. Chop finely and sauté in a pan. Sprinkle the carrot with water. Peel the carrot. Grate and place in the pan. Peel a few cloves of garlic. Chop finely and add to the pan. Season with black pepper, salt. Put the sautéed vegetables in the bowl. Crack 2 eggs. Add a few tablespoons of sifted flour. Season with crushed coarse salt. Freshly ground black pepper. Mix well with a spoon. Add grated mozzarella. Mix again. Shape into round croquettes. Fry the croquettes in a pan with vegetable oil for 5 minutes. Pour mayonnaise into a jar. Olive oil. Freshly squeezed juice from half a lemon. Sprinkle the parsley with water. Dry with paper towels. Chop finely and put in the jar. Add salt. A few finely chopped garlic cloves. Sprinkle the green onion with water. Dry with towels. Chop finely and put in the jar. Drain the brine from the green olives and put in the jar. Blend with a blender. Fry the croquettes on the other side. Serve them hot with your favorite sauce.